Okie dokie, here's a really quick video of how to get into a Ross 13-inch APO Process Xpress f9 lens. It's a really quick video just to show how to get into it to clean the optics. I'm not going to be stripping down the iris mechanism or anything like that, but there's just a few little bits and pieces that will enable you to open it quickly, efficiently, clean the glass, put it back together, Bob's your uncle. So, first thing, the black ring at the front here, not the thing holding the nameplate on, that should just screw off. If not, use a little bit of light fluid or similar just to sort of loosen the connection a bit, but that should, with a bit of persuasion, screw off. Perfect. Next, this lens has got the drop-in filter holder there, as you can see just by rotating that brass collar. It opens a slot there. Now that screw that acts as a detent, as a stop for that brass ring, that's also holding in the main front barrel. So we need to take that screw out. Small screwdriver is needed. Here we go. Okay, just put that screw there for a second, and you should be able to see in that hole there, that screw actually goes through this first piece of brass here and into the brass of the main front element pieces there, the front element group. So now we should be able to, taking hold of the brass and the black plate here, there you go, unscrew the front element all the way out. There we go. So we've got the front and the rear of the front group there ready for cleaning. That can go away and get sparkled up. If you wanted to go in and clean the iris blades for any reason as well, we've just got a typical, we just can use our lens spanner or similar. Let me get a picture of that. Some sort of lens spanner or shim or caliper tool just to remove that retaining ring, and that will open up all of the iris. But we're not going to do that today because the iris on this is actually, even though it looks a bit corroded, it's actually very smooth and grease free, so that's lovely. And then on the rear element, it's this entire black section that comes off, so you don't unscrew the brass, just the black bit there. Actually pretty difficult to get hold of it on the thin bit there, so what I use for that is just some of these lens suckers, and try and find one that fits. There we go. So I'm going to be gripping it on the inside bevel of this rear mount here, pressing down, and there we go. That comes off. Quite a few turns on this one. There we go. So we've got the entire iris mechanism separate from the glass now, and we've got the front and rear groups that we can give a nice clean and polish. This one I don't believe is coated, but they're a nice lens for sure. Matching group there, matching serial numbers, and that's it. And then obviously to put the lens back together, we just reverse the process. Cheers.